Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for being here today. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for being here. If you are returning, thanks for coming back. Good to see you again. Today, as the title suggests, is a mystery pin unboxing. These pins were so stinking cute. I kept seeing them at our resort, and if you're new here, I stayed at the Caribbean Beach Resort in April, and they had an amazing gift shop, and I kept seeing it. Every single day, go in there, I'd walk in there, I'd see these, and I was drawn to them. So I bought them. These are the little flower pot pins, and there are 8 pins, and they're all little flowers and succulents. So there's Goofy, Pluto, Piglet, I see Mickey, Minnie, Stitch, Maleficent. I don't know which one that is. Dumbo? Dumbo. If you don't know me, I am an environmental engineer in my daytime, so anything related to flowers, I've got so many flowers and so many different things, I absolutely am obsessed with it. So I'm gonna show you because it's so overboard. I bought 8. So I bought 8 of them. There's 8 pins, so this gives me a chance to get them all. Chances are there's gonna be a duplicates, and then we can trade for the ones we need. The only ones that I really want is the Mickey and Minnie. I could do without the rest. Mickey and Minnie, sunflowers are my absolute favorite flower, sunflower, and look at Minnie's pin. So they retail for $14.99. There's 1 pin per box, and let's just get into it. I'm opening it from the bottom. Oh, there's a bag, okay. Okay. I feel like I need to do something else with these pins, with these boxes. They're so stinking cute. Okay, bag number 1, pin numero uno. See who we got, and we got Dumbo. And these are ginormous. Oh my gosh. They're like 3D. Look at how thick that pin is. That price makes a lot of sense then. Little Dumbo as like a big boy leafy plant. So cute. Okay. Happy. Let's go on to the next one. And we got a duplicate already. Okay, well, we're not getting the full set. Another Dumbo, that's okay, we can trade for him. We can trade. You wanna join me, Ethel? You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? You stink. You need a bath. Oh, okay, we got Goofy as a little cactus. Look at him. Look at his little hat. It's so funny, so thick. Oi. Okay, next one. They do not make these easy, let me tell you. Trying to make this entertaining, opening up a bag. Super fun. And snip, snip, snip. Da-da-da-da, another Dumbo. We're doing great. So 3 Dumbos. Lovely. Caribbean Beach, you're letting me down. Come on. Come on, they should have done better than that. Okay. Da-da-da-da. Okay, this one seems big. This one seems like it might be different. And it's Stitch, it is different. Okay, good. Stitch as little sunflower, not sunflowers, but like, what are those called? Lilies? No. And like they're the Hawaiian flower, right? What's the Hawaiian flower? Let me know. What is this flower? 3 boxes left. We got 3 chances to get Mickey and Minnie. Honestly, at least Mickey. That's all I want. That's all I want. And we got Dumbo again. We're not doing too hot. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go Mickey and Minnie. If this is another Dumbo, if I get 2 more Dumbos, I'm gonna cry. And I got Piglet, okay. Little piglets. So cute. Okay, one more chance. One more chance. Okay, start crossing your hearts, crossing your fingers. Let's hope for Mickey. Let's feel it. Let's feel it. I have no idea. Okay. Last one. Ah, and it's Minnie. Okay, at least we got the one. Look at how pretty that pin is. So pretty. Okay, so we didn't get Mickey, and we still need Mickey, we need Pluto, and Maleficent. Mickey, Pluto, and Maleficent. If you want to trade, DM me on Instagram if you have one of the ones that I want and you need a Dumbo. Please let me know. I have 3 Dumbos now that you can have and we can trade. Without further ado, with that somewhat of a bust, my least favorite character, getting so many times, we'll leave you to it. Ethel and I will leave you to it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.